first Karen of the night. Just blocking the road. She was just honking.
Yeah, she got time today. That's crazy.
Over here cleaning this shit out, bro. This shit smells like an old fucking Toyota, bro. Just hella moisture in this. Like, look at this shit, bro. I gotta start letting this bitch sit, man. Yeah, we putting that gas in there. We finna put a little 25 piecer. We gotta go all the way downtown tonight. I got this shit on that super wide angle. Hopefully it look good. Oh, wee. Lock in. Come on. But yeah, man, this bitch solid. Start right up every time. You know what I'm saying? Just finna put a little 25 piecer. Bro, this bitch smell like an old fucking Toyota. There's hella moisture inside. Oh no, we don't need that much. Man, y'all putting regular in your shit? Come on, bro. Let's just tell you premium only. Your shit start knocking, hey. But yeah, I'm gonna pick this bitch back up when we get to B Nasty crib, man. We're gonna wash the cars a little bit. Let's see what time it is right now. I know that shit ain't right. 8:01. Yeah, we on the late night scheming type shit. But yeah, I'm gonna pick this bitch back up when we get there. Man, I'm fucking terrible at vlogging. We've been here for a minute though. Over here at the Krispy Kreme. We got Soren going crazy, per usual. Got the whips looking crazy, the ski mobiles. Get some shots for y'all, man. We're finna go to a different spot. This is just spot one. We got some videos and shit, photos. Hell yeah. I'm gonna remember to fucking pick up the camera on the next spot. To the next spot, man. This shit right here, if you're wondering why this is fucking floppy, bro, it don't stay up, dog. So that's why I got it to the side like that. Was a big ass bump. I didn't even see it. I'm glad I didn't hit it. pretty good. A little bit of backfiring going on. We just cutting up downtown, vibing out. We at the next spot. It's looking amazing. Hard part, making people go around. We've encountered our first Karen of the night. They're blocking the road. She was just honking.
Yeah, she got time today. That's crazy.
She got some time tonight. She ain't playing.
I'm playing with her in that Toyota. Facts. She ain't got no insurance.
She really finna just sit there too.
So much time. That's crazy.
That's crazy, boy.
Gotta ruin everybody's life.
Somebody come get their auntie, boy. Somebody come get their auntie. We downtown Seattle, anything goes.
Somebody come get their auntie.
Somebody come get their mama, boy. If you want, you can take pictures of the license plate. We got what we needed. We finna shake the spot. Karen over here, she waiting. She don't want to leave nowhere and shit like that. So we're finna dip right now.
Something behind me better.
Don't turn towards me, so just go behind the taxi.
Tell him I'm going behind the taxi.
Alright,
No,
going behind the taxi.
Wait until this video, until Soren's done doing his thing, like editing it and putting it together, to add it to that. But yeah, we headed out the city, man. Ran into a Karen. A cop had came after I did some hooning, but it's all good. Hopefully I got the shot right. Look at the footage on the camera, it looks crazy. We got B Nasty in front of us. I'm gonna give him a 40 roll. Right here, let's go. Let's go. Yo. Hey, don't let me get you. Huh? From a dig?
Yeah.
I can't launch this shit. Alright, I'll try. Oh yeah, get ready. I'm with his ass. I'm right there with him. My fucking GoPro hanger was fucked up. Come here. What's that?
Oh.
Alright, give me a 20 roll then, nigga. Let's do a 20. I don't got no horn. Drift car out here sliding. Out here giving niggas a 40-year-old and shit. That shit is fun as fuck. This SC surprised me, boy. Who want that smoke? It's like, nah, I'm playing. But yeah, man, we out of the city, man. Oh shit, we finna dip. We done made enough people mad with our parking and shit. Cutting up out here. Ooh, that sound good. Hold on. That sound good. Hold on.